The Elephant and the Tailor. In a lively little village, there lived a playful and gentle elephant named Appu. He was loved by everyone, especially the children, who adored his friendly nature. After his time with the children, Appu would head to the river stream. The cool water refreshed him as he drank deeply, and he splashed around with the birds, who chirped and fluttered happily around him. On his way back from the river, Appu had one more stop, at the tailor's shop. The kind tailor always greeted him with a smile and a treat, like a banana or a sugar cube. Appu loved this part of his day and would wave his trunk in gratitude. Appu, the cheerful elephant, loved his daily routine. After the joyful moments with the kids, Appu would head to the nearby river stream. There, he quenched his thirst with the cool water and splashed around, delighting the birds who danced and chirped around him. Refreshed and content, Appu always stopped by the tailor's shop and waited for bananas. After eating the bananas, Appu happily left the place. This routine made Appu's days full of fun and love. But one day, things did not go as planned. As Appu reached the tailor's shop, the mischievous apprentice, a small boy in the tailor's shop, instead of offering a banana, he decided to play a prank. He pricked Appu's trunk with a needle. Startled and hurt, Appu let out a loud trumpet and walked away sadly with tears flowing down his eyes. The next day, Appu returned to the river as usual. But this time, he had an idea. He filled his trunk with muddy water, determined to teach the apprentice a lesson. With his trunk full, Appu marched back to the tailor's shop. Standing at the doorway, he raised his trunk and, splash! Muddy water sprayed everywhere. The boy who pricked Appu was soaked, and the shop was a mess. The kind tailor rushed out, shocked by the chaos. When he learned what had happened, he scolded the apprentice for his unkind behavior. Feeling ashamed, the small boy apologized to Appu. The tailor then offered Appu a big bunch of bananas as a gesture of goodwill. Appu forgave the tailor and happily accepted the treat. And so, Appu continued his happy routine of playing with the children, splashing at the river, and visiting the kind tailor, reminding everyone of the importance of kindness and the lessons it brings. Moral of the story: every action has consequences. So, always treat others kindly, because being mean can cause problems you might not expect. We should always be kind to animals because they have feelings too. They often treat us the same way we treat them, so let's show them love and care. Story summary: Appu, the happy elephant, loved playing with kids, splashing in the river, and visiting the tailor's shop for yummy treats. But one day, the tailor's naughty apprentice played a mean trick and hurt Appu's trunk with a needle. Sad and hurt, Appu decided to teach him a lesson. The next day, Appu sprayed muddy water all over the shop. The apprentice apologized, and everyone learned that being kind is always the best way.
Please subscribe to Shiny Sprouts channel, like and share the video. Thank you.